question is, artists have a very different way, they think differently. You need to create, right?
Yeah.
But how do you manage creating an artwork and yet being, professional, on time? Everything has to be delivered on time. So how do you maintain that balance, to create something and also being professional at the same time?
I think
What's your thing in it? How do you get?
see, art is the person you are,
Right.
according to me. So what I am has to come onto my work first.
Correct.
Means I have to be primarily. It has to be me.
Right.
So what is it that I do in my art? Let's say I have so everything you see in that, whether it's the color, whether it's the format, whether it's the textures, the treatment, is the thing that I like right from within. All my senses react to this format.
Correct.
Okay, so nature has always been one of my most important subjects of work. I started with Impressionist painters, which are my inspiration. I've always been inspired by that genre of work.
Right.
So, starting right from my first work to today's work, you'll see there's a kind of a line that runs through it, because it is me.
Right.
It is me. I don't paint pictorial stuff. It is not that I paint something I see, but it's what I look at it, how I feel about it. What is it that I find, and how is it that I look at it, is
Right.
what I paint.
Okay.
So if you see like a seascape, let's say this
Yes.
seascape for
Yes.
instance, I like it very much, so I put it in my office as well. What is it? It's a seascape. If you look at each part, you may think that, I mean, just to kind of explain it a bit to you, when you see it at a distance, you'll say, yeah, I can start seeing images coming up. I can start seeing a boat. Maybe you'll see a bit of, you'll see water, you'll see a skyline, you'll see a
Yes.
sunset. You may see all these things will start appearing. Now, it's also to do with the kind of person you are. So you look at me, then you will start seeing a few things. Anything we look
Correct.
at, it will be about the person. So if I give you my painting, let's say I give you 5 paintings and say,
Right.
Pooja, what do you think about me? I think you will be able to at least put down 10 points.
A
of
little
what
judge
I may
about
be.
what you may
Yeah.
be.
That
But
is
one thing
what-
I know is you're colorful. I
I'm
see a lot
colourful,
of
vivacious, you might
yes,
say.
yes. I can see that colors. I mean, I was just walking through it, and
Yeah.
I could see that
Colors
you
very
love
important.
colors,
I love
right?
color. I like colors talking to you. I
Right.
like things that arrest your attention.
Right.
I like I like aesthetically beautiful things, and I like things that are also intense and at the same time they are free. So you'll see that in compositions also. If you really look at them closely, you will see the kind of compositions will give you all these kind of effusive, talkative, effervescent. These are the kind of things I feel it is to do with my work.
So then, how do you balance this artist nature with
This is
being
my
yet
nature.
professional?
Artist nature is
Is-
कुछ नहीं होता. Artist is what
so,
he is.
हमने artist हमेशा सुना है there is no timing in this, but it's actually you're more disciplined. You're
I
more,
am disciplined because I need that much time. How would I?
How
See,
do-
for me, I'm a combination, right? So
right. You've also been a sports person.
sportsman,
That's
so
why.
I'm a combination. This is my probably unique aspect that I
Right.
am different and I want to be different. I don't like to, I'm not a fake. So I
Right.
don't like to stereotype because I should dress in a particular way, because I'm an artist, I should behave in a particular, because that
No,
is not
that's
thing.
not you.
What is me is my art.
Correct.
My art should show what I am. For
And
me,
you're
it's a very
disciplined also
simple
at the
thing,
same
yeah.
time.
So, discipline, yeah, because I think I believe that discipline for anything is required.
Correct.
Whether it's eating, drinking, sleeping,
Right.
you know me. I mean,
Yes.
for as many years as you know me, workout,
Right.
your health, it's
And
very
you've been a
important to me.
perfectionist also.
I try
think
to do.
you like because you're
I don't
also
know whether I am,
competitive
but-
in nature, so you want to be like you don't
And
like that 19-20 also. It has to be perfect.
No, I try to do what best I can
You
do.
can do,
My
right.
competition is with myself,
yourself,
like
yeah, yeah.
like I say. So
Right.
I have to do something better. Can't I do a little better than what I do?
Right.
That's what I do. And of course, you use things around you for competition. Just these are like props.
Right.
You use these just to kind of make
So
you
right
feel
now,
like.
like from paintings to beautiful sculpture and artwork, I've just seen
Yeah.
them, and it also put in. So I've seen
Yeah.
them. How did the transition?
See,
like, what made you go there? Because I know for years you've been painting. Mostly.
I'm majorly a painter. But what happens is that in the art journey, all your exposure to like I have been for now several art fairs. I've participated all over the world. I've traveled. I've seen, and I feel that whatever I see and I like something and I want to experiment with it. So those are all experiments of a sort. Like if you see the scrap metal sculpture, I've been doing for almost 20 years now. But I've never exhibited. Everything I do is not for exhibition or to sell or to.
It's just to explore
I mean, not that I
yourself.
don't sell it. I sell it, but it is a part. See, artists.
To explore your art, do you think that?
Yeah, because I feel primarily, I probably come from an old school where you paint not to sell. You
Right,
paint
for
because you want to
yourself.
paint. It's the passion that drives you to do art.
Right.
Otherwise, you can do business. You can
Right.
become a businessman, and the difference between art and business is that.
Correct.
Unfortunately, now today it's all about the price, and you said so. I'm not one of those artists who will paint because an exhibition is coming up and you want to sell, and I make those 10 paintings and I want to sell them and I put them up. No.
Right.
My first show also had 60 works, so it was so much of a journey of 6-9 years before I decided, okay, I'll exhibit it.
Right.
See, exhibition is the end result. Selling the work is the end. But in art, it is not the thing you
The
think
journey
about.
is important.
Yeah, journey is very important. The process is important. If you don't
Right.
enjoy that process,
Yeah.
you're not doing justice to your own profession. I feel.
Right. And so that gets the balance between you being an artist and being professional at the same time.
Yeah.